tell me something about yourself?
I am Arlene Palma and I am 30 years old. But I am single, but I have live-in partner, but I have no kids.
Okay.
I worked last time before in Saudi Arabia in 2 years, and my duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and also washing.
Okay. Cooking Arabic food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you choose Malaysia?
I choose Malaysia because this is near in the Philippines, and also this is same time zone,
Same time zone. Okay.
and I have no heard any abuse.
Okay. Do you have any allergy with pets?
No, ma'am.
You're not afraid of dog?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Any allergy with foods?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to finish my younger brother to her education, and I want to support my mother to financial problem, and also for my good future someday.
How many siblings do you have?
No, ma'am, I have no
Siblings.
Sorry, ma'am. Six, ma'am, six.
Six. So
Six
how
siblings.
many sisters or brothers you are supporting? How many sisters or brother you are supporting?
My sister have three sisters and two brothers.
Okay. So okay. Tell me about your personal character.
I am hardworking and also honest and also faithful, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that your rest day is only spent at home?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
not allowed to go outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Your cell phone, are you aware that you will only use that one after work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're not allowed to carry your cell phone during work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long you plan to work in Malaysia?
If I finish my contract, if the employer is good to me, if she need me, I will stay here. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else? What do you prefer to take care?
I want to take children, kids, and also elderly, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Arlene.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.